Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi network in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your iPhone and router. It can fix minor glitches. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then simply reset your network settings. For reset your network settings, simply open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down in last and now click on transfer or reset iPhone. And then you can see the option reset. Now click on reset. And then again click on reset network settings, and here enter your passcode to reset all the network settings, and here it will be confirmed to reset network settings. It will never destroy another data like photos, videos, another data. It can only reset all the network settings. After reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.